This short clip explains how to buy shares of Playtech Plc, a developer of online gaming software and platforms. It trades on the LSE PLC under the ticker PTEC.L, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro here as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to be able to purchase shares. Use the platform search field and type the ticker PTEC.L to find the listing. Then choose the result that matches Playtech Plc on the LSE to open its page. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to see recent movements. Confirm the listing name and exchange to make sure you have the correct Playtech Plc share. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and carefully review the order details, including any fees, before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued to execute when trading resumes. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be confirmed. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. Check the video description for the eToro link to explore the platform if you want to follow these steps.